Welcome to the part 2 of Ministry of Defense Assistant Director paper of the year 2019. Read the following passage and answer the questions 27 to 29 accordingly. In Avalgraphy, a painter is selecting two combinations of colors, combination 1 and combination 2, choosing from 7 colors T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Combination 1 will contain 4 of the colors and combination 2 will contain the other 3 colors. The painter must select the colors for each combination according to the following restrictions. T cannot be in the same combination as U. If X is in combination 2, Z must also be in combination 2. If Z is in combination 1, W must also be in combination 1. If T and Z are in combination 2, which color cannot also be in combination 2? U. If Z is in combination 1, which of the following must be true? V is in combination 2. If X is in combination 2, which of the following must be true? W is in combination 1. Argument. Stand sells fruits and vegetables. All fruits delicious. All vegetables vitamin rich. All vitamin rich foods delicious. Therefore, everything sold is delicious. Which assumption is necessary? This product stand sells only fruits and vegetables. Read the following passage and answer the questions 31 to 33 accordingly. 6 cupboards, cupboard U, cupboard V, cupboard W, cupboard X, cupboard Y and cupboard Z are being placed in hotel rooms, each of which can accommodate 2 cupboards and no more than 2. Each cupboard must be placed in exactly one room and must be placed in that room either alone or else together with one another of the 6 cupboards. Enough rooms are available to permit any possible assignment of cupboards to rooms, but the following restrictions must be observed. Cupboard V cannot be placed in a room with cupboard W. Cupboard W cannot be placed in a room with cupboard X. Cupboard Y and cupboard Z must be placed in a room together. Which of the following pairs of cupboards can be placed in one room together? Cupboard U and cupboard X. If cupboard W is placed in a room alone, which of the following must be true? The cupboards occupy either 4 or 5 rooms. If cupboard Y and cupboard Z are the only cupboards placed in a room, how many rooms are the minimum that can accommodate the cupboards? 3. Read the following passage and answer the questions 34 to 36 accordingly. A teacher asked the class to draw diagrams of 4 shapes, namely rectangle, square, circle and triangle, in a single class and has the following restrictions. Rectangle has priority over square. Circle has priority over triangle. If one shape has priority over another, the shape with priority must be drawn earlier than the other one. Given only the determinations above, each of the following is a possible sequence in which the 4 shapes could be drawn except circle, square, rectangle and triangle. If each of the shapes takes equally long to draw, it must be true that circle is drawn before triangle is drawn. There would be exactly one order in which the 4 shapes would have to be drawn if it were determined that triangle has priority over rectangle. Read the following passage and answer the questions 37 to 40 accordingly. In a game, 6 various small balloons colored violet, pink, blue, green, yellow and orange are to be placed on 6 different small tables. There are 6 tables numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one balloon is to be placed on one table. Violet cannot be placed immediately before or after the pink. Blue must be placed after the green. Orange cannot be on table number 6. Which balloon cannot be on table 1? Blue. If green is on table 3, blue must be on which table? 4. If violet is on table 5, which balloon must be on table 6? Yellow. If orange is on table 3 immediately before green, which balloon must be on table 5? Blue. Arch for organs found in pairs. If itlaf of one of such organs is done, it shall be 1/2 of the amount of diyat. Every warrant of arrest shall be signed by presiding officer of the court. Revelation has been of dash kinds. 2. The word jurisprudence is derived from juris. According to Article 16 of Qanuni Shahadat, an accomplice is a competent witness in all cases except Hudud cases. According to Punjab Family Courts Amendment Bill 2015, in case of dissolution of marriage through khula, the wife may be directed to surrender her dower up to 50% of deferred and 25% of prompt. Legal realism was analyzed in the United States by Holmes. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by the General Assembly of the United Nations. Under the CPC, a judge means the presiding officer of a civil court. Pleading means plaint and written statement. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.